Thailand Tourist Visa, what it is and what it is not. The Thailand Tourist Visa is for one thing only: temporary visits. Not for living, not for working, not for settling down. So what is the tourist visa for? It's meant for tourism, short personal visits, and medical treatment. It's designed for people who enter Thailand temporarily and then leave. This visa is for visiting, not relocating. And what is the tourist visa not for? It does not allow employment, business activity, remote work, or long-term residence. Even if you're paid from outside Thailand, working while on a tourist visa can still be a violation. This is one of the most misunderstood visas. Single entry versus multiple entry. There are different formats. Some allow one entry. Others allow multiple entries within a set time period. What really matters is not how often you enter, but what you do while you're in Thailand. Extensions and limits. Tourist visas can sometimes be extended, but extensions are temporary. They are not a path to residency, and they're not meant to be stacked over and over. If you find yourself needing constant extensions, you may be on the wrong visa. Who is the tourist visa best for? It's great if you're visiting Thailand short-term, exploring before committing, taking a break or vacation, or receiving short-term medical care. It's not ideal if you're trying to live in Thailand long-term, working remotely, or avoiding the proper visa path. If you love Thailand and want to stay longer, there are visas designed for that. The tourist visa is the starting point, not the destination. In the next video, we'll cover the destination Thailand visa and how it compares. This is part of a visa series. Subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown.